Hi, my name is Olivia and I'm applying to Aramark's dietetic internship. I know that through this internship, I may be faced with many challenges and many obstacles. I know that there may be times that I have to go above and beyond what is expected of me. I'm very willing to do this, and I feel that I have been well prepared through my different careers that I've completed and also through my schooling at Indiana University of Pennsylvania. An example of when I've had to go above and beyond what was expected of me would have been in one of my previous careers. I did work as a barista at the University of Pittsburgh. I started out with short shifts, so I worked in the afternoon, and I would work about probably 4 to 6 hours. And so something unfortunately happened. One of my fellow coworkers that worked full-time had to leave their position to take care of some things that were happening outside of work. And so they offered me a full-time position working as a barista. It was definitely something new to me, but I knew that I knew that in the long run I would also gain a lot of good experience, and I definitely wanted to help out my fellow coworkers and help out the company because I just wanted everyone to succeed as well. And so I decided to take this position. I worked 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. each day, so I worked 10-hour shifts. It was definitely something to get used to. But I did gain a lot of experience from it. I got to open the coffee shop each day at 7 a.m. and I also closed it down. So it was a lot of new things that I hadn't learned before, and it was a lot of I had to learn to be more independent in my position, and I really liked that about it. I'm really thankful that I decided to take the full-time position. I learned a lot, and I was also able to help my fellow coworkers and the company in the long run as well. There have been many times that I've had to build rapport with my managers or my fellow coworkers through my many different positions, including my position now as a weight loss counselor. I was recently offered a position as a customer engagement apprentice, which allows me to gain some leadership experience. I now am able to walk the floor and make sure that no questions are left unanswered in my new position. So that way I can help my fellow coworkers to better assist our customers in reaching their weight loss goals. I build rapport with my fellow coworkers each day because I have to understand them in a different way so that when I am giving them advice, I know that they also have a different style of counseling as well. And so it's not just my opinions, but it's also about their opinions. And so in that way, I have built a closer relationship with them because they trust me to give them advice, and I also trust what they're already telling our customers. And so in that way, we're collaborating so that we can make sure that our customers have the best possible advice and they're always able to reach those long-term goals, or so we at least try our best to get them there. I understand that to successfully complete this internship with Aramark, that we will be required to have a lot of different professional strengths. One of my professional strengths that I believe will help me get through the internship is my commitment to growth. I know that the internship will take a lot of work, but I'm definitely ready for any challenges that I may be faced with. I'm definitely always excited to learn new things, and I'm very adaptable in any situation, so that definitely helps as well. When it comes to expenses for the dietetic internship, I know that this is a challenging part. Because I've known for so long that I wanted to participate in an internship, I did prepare savings just for this. And so I plan to use my savings to take care of the expenses that will be accrued through the internship. For anything that my savings cannot cover, I do plan on taking out a small outside loan to cover the rest. I also plan on applying to the master's program with the University of Southern Mississippi, which I'm very excited for. I feel that the master's program will help me to gain a lot of background information and just help me to be well-rounded overall. I also know that in the future, graduates will be required to have a master's degree in order to obtain their license. And so I feel that this will give me or make me a little bit more competitive in my field in the future as well.